What's up guys, I'm in a Honda CR-V and it won't blow any hot air. I've got it on high. I've had the engine running for a minute, so the coolant temperature is near the middle. So I should be getting some warm air now. Shannon from SB88. So what I found in the computer is that the blend motor isn't working, and that's the motor that will turn the air hot and cold. But if I just zoom in behind the engine, you're going to see that there's a little actuator flap on the heater matrix pipe that I've disconnected, and I'm going to move to see if I get hot air. That's the first step that we should be making, so let's do that. So just here, that part there that we're looking at, with the cable off. I've already taken the cable off. This flap, if I push it that way, I hope that will be opening it up for hot air, hot water to come through. So it's like a 90-degree. I don't know if my camera's clean or what. Let me just shot again. A slightly clean camera lens. Let me turn the engine off. Let's not turn the engine off yet. I'm trying to make it as good as possible, but I've moved that thing and it's still not giving me any hot air, to be honest with you. And if I turn this, then I should see movement on that cable. Kenny, can you turn it up to hot, please? Both sides. Any movement on this. Nope. Can feel hot water on this pipe. Don't feel hot water on the other side, so I'll pull this flap back that way. More warm water. The top pipe is still staying cool. Right, so both pipes are lukewarmish. We're still not getting any hot air. I'm trying to get the engine hot so I can get some hot air from the vents, and that's what I'm here to look at on this car. At the moment, it's got a door blend motor fault, which means that the flaps behind the dashboard isn't operating correctly. But I've bypassed it and I'm still getting cold air, so yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out right now.
Whole car same?
Yeah, that's kind of
220 degrees.
cold air. Whoa. Still cold air. So that isn't the problem. If you want to know what's wrong with a Honda that's not blowing hot air, I was quite lucky. I unplugged it and plugged it back in and it fixed the problem. Okay, I had 2 fault codes, and just up there, that green plug there, I unplugged it, plugged it back in, and now the problem's fixed, man. It's got hot air blowing now. So I guess my next job will be fixing this. I think that's the alternator making that noise. Alright, we'll see what he says. Oh, I came here to fix one thing. but I'll talk to him about that.